In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add the McDonald's pattern in TradingView Pro. Before we jump into the actual clicks, let's quickly set the stage. I'm going to assume you're already logged into your TradingView account and you have a chart open. It can be any market or time frame you like. The process will be exactly the same. If you're completely new to TradingView, don't worry, I'll describe everything clearly so you can follow along just by watching and listening. First, look toward the top of your TradingView chart. You'll see a toolbar running across the screen with different icons and options. What we're interested in is the Indicators button. Depending on your layout, it might simply say Indicators or Indicators and Strategies. Go ahead and click that. This is where you can add any built-in indicators, community scripts, or custom tools, including the McDonald's pattern. When you click Indicators, a new window or panel will pop up, usually in the middle or on the right side of your screen. At the top of that panel, you'll see a search box. This is the key to finding almost anything quickly in TradingView. Click directly into that search box so your cursor is active there. Now start typing McDonald's pattern. As you type, TradingView will automatically filter the results below the search bar. Take a moment to scan through the list that appears. You're looking for the specific McDonald's pattern script that you want to use. The exact name and author may vary depending on what's available when you're watching this. So pay attention to the title and the description. Once you've identified the correct McDonald's pattern script, simply click on it in the list. The moment you do that, TradingView will add it to your chart. You should now see the pattern displayed directly over your price action. If it doesn't appear right away, check that you're on a visible time frame and that the script is toggled on in your indicator list, which you can find near the top left of your chart. From here, you can customize it just like any other indicator. Hover over its name on the chart, click the settings icon, and adjust the colors, line styles, or any inputs the script provides so it matches your personal trading style. Finally, if you want to unlock more indicators at once, save multiple layouts, and generally get the most out of this setup, make sure you're using TradingView Pro. I've included my affiliate link in the description, which gives you an easy way to sign up or upgrade if you're interested in those extra features.